So I'm heading to Patrick's party and I'm going to unbox his MAC Patrick STARRR holiday collection in front of you guys, and then I'm gonna use the makeup to get ready for the party. So I'm gonna go get it right now. All right, so here is the package. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, so it is like a sleigh. And you guys can see Patrick right there, and the information PR sheet that MAC provides with all the information. So you guys can actually get this on December 3rd. So that's actually tomorrow in North America. Okay, so you can get it December 3rd online and December 6th at select MAC locations. So definitely check online or call your local MAC store or counter. And this is a collection. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. I'm gonna use all of these products and I'm gonna do a full review of all the items. It's not gonna be a first impressions because I'm gonna use it today for his party, but look at this, I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it came in this box. Here it is. There's lippies, lip glosses, lipsticks, Patrick's powder, eyeshadows. This, oh my gosh, so I already tried some of the makeup because at his birthday party he had them on display and samples. They were like the samples, so it was like the only one. Look at this. So this is Baby It's Gold Outside. I used this before. It was so cute. I did it on Snapchat. It was so fun doing it. So yeah, this is its collection and I'm gonna try it right now and then I'll show you guys my result in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually do the highlight right now. I used all of Patrick's collection with MAC. I used both the eyeshadow palettes. This one, I used like the dark spectrum, obviously. And then I used almost all of these, like to here. I didn't use that one and then I used that one. So I used both of them and it's called Oh Holy Eyes and then Smoky Slay. So I'm gonna do the highlight now because I wanna show you guys how it looks. So this is it. And I'm gonna do a full video, but I just wanna demo you guys, you know, how it looks. So let's do that. I'm taking a fan brush and, oh, look at that. That cheek point and how it emphasizes it. So gorgeous.
Hi, I'm Paul. We're Patrick's younger brothers. All of us were inspired. So many people around the world, so many young boys and girls that find refuge in all of our channels because they don't have what we have. So I challenge you this holiday to inspire those people, give them hope. I know all those self-made bitches here. Really, I'm so honored to have all of you here to continue to help these boys and girls that have lost hope with this holiday season, with this collection. I really want all of you to help these kids out that don't have family, that don't have friends. Let's be their friends and their family.
Oh my god!
Alright guys, so this Vlogmas is literally raw unfiltered because there's like stuff everywhere, tags, me running out of the house to try to get to Patrick's obviously on time. Before I pack, I always try everything on. And I think this is one of my looks. I'm not gonna show you the whole look because I feel like I don't want to reveal it all, but this is one of my looks. You guys like it? It's like so funny. Every time I pack, I always, sorry, my house is like a mess because I literally was rushing out, but every time I pack, I try everything on. Oh my God, zero progress, look. Zero progress. I'm gonna put the tights in and this jacket, and that will be my first 2 items. Hey guys, so sorry that my Vlogmas today is not as long as the past 2 days. Wow, I have eyeliner on my face. I washed my face so fast, I was like, okay, I'm gonna edit this and I'm gonna go to bed. But I'm editing today's Vlogmas and I'm gonna try to put it up. I'm gonna put it up. It's 1:35 a.m. So technically today is, tomorrow would be Vlogmas 3 of like what I did December 2nd. I think I might even be doing it wrong because I actually started Vlogmas 1 November 30th. So I don't even know if I'm doing it right, but I'm vlogging every day. I have eyeliner on my face, and I was gonna tell you guys that I was gonna actually vlog what I had packed tomorrow, but I feel like maybe I could just show you guys since the vlog is so small. So this is my suitcase. It looks crazy right now, but what I do is before I leave to actually go to my, like to the airport, I always like put everything together and put it neatly and then close it, because there's always like last minute things that I want to put in, like deodorants and like just like little things like chargers and stuff I want to put in. So I always do that last minute, and then I always lay out what I think I'm gonna wear on the plane out. So yeah, tomorrow I literally have to wake up in like 4 hours, so I'm gonna go to bed, but I'm gonna try to put this up, or I'm gonna put it up because I'm committed to this Vlogmas. But sorry, today's is a little bit shorter than the other 2. I was dealing with package thing in the morning, and then I was like rushing to get ready for Patrick's party, which, you know, was so much fun. And I got to hang out with a lot of my friends and see a lot of them and see Patrick's performance, which was so amazing and so good. And I saw Patrick's entire family. It was just so cute. So I had so much fun. I really did. It was such a cute holiday party. Oh, and by the way, like sometimes I record on this vlogging camera and I'm not used to it, so I cover the microphone with my finger. Sometimes my audio gets like silenced or like scrunchy because I put my finger accidentally on it, which I shouldn't do. So I need to learn how to use this camera. This is the Canon G7X. I actually got it right before New York Fashion Week. And yeah, so I'm going to New York again. It's cool. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go. Thank you guys again for watching my Vlogmas number 3, which is actually everything from December 2nd. I'm like ahead, I think. But anyways, so yeah, this is December 2nd, and technically it's December 3rd because it's 1:38 a.m. But good night, I love you guys, and I had an awesome day, an amazing day. Yeah, and tomorrow I'm gonna be in New York, so I'm gonna vlog the whole travel there and obviously whatever I do in New York. So tomorrow's vlog will be long. Bye guys. Mwah.
What if I told you